smoking.
You've never smoked. What are you talking about? Here. What are you doing smoking in the house? We don't smoke in the house.
Yeah.
Look at you with a cigarette in your mouth.
Yeah, well, I got it. I'll go outside and garden. My thing. Let me see you puff it.
Kenny, you gonna put that on YouTube? Oh.
How about that? Well, I gotta have something. It's pretty good. I like it. Bring on the wine. Hey, that's a good idea. We got new wine? I don't know. Ken?
Why, do you drink?
Yes, of course.
Hey, no smoking in the house. No smoking in the house. Here, butt it out here. Here. Let's see. You're insane.
Have a little puff.
You have really lost it
Have
now.
a little puff on me. That song. What's happening?
Well, we got to get you fed. Get us all fed.
Let's go out for dinner. It's warm.
Huh?
Where it's warm.
Where it's warm? Yeah.
I like that. I think I'll continue. It seemed like it was... It's cold out here. You're going to get sick. Coming in?
Yeah.
You're too funny. I don't see nothing funny. I just didn't say anything else. Right? I said I just did. It's cold. Yes, you shut the doors. What did you do with my cigarette?
Oh, you smoked it.
No, I didn't.
Well, you put it out. You gave it to me.
I want my cigarette.
Your what?
My cigarette.
The Life of Riley.
I got my hands perfect. So hand it over.
I don't know how long this thing